Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel once again. Please kindly subscribe to the channel and let's grow this channel together, please. Okay, so here is the inbuilt burger proof sliding window episode 2. Here it is. In this view, here is the room. We are completely done with the sliding windows. As you can see here is the hall you are seeing right now. Here is the hall. We are done with the sliding windows, and here is the kitchen. Is 2-bedroom self-contained. And here is the other room too. Here's the other room too, and here's the bathroom for the other room. Here's the bathroom, and here is the other room too. It's two rooms. Here's the other room too, and here is the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. We are done. As you can see here, we are done. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, please. Let's reach 1K subscribe ending of this year. Guys, we can do it. Please, let's do it. Let's make it happen, guys. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need.
I'm about to get 30, your last one made you 30, now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 16/11, see you making it, but I'ma just stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, eating like a local, cause you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees.